Welcome back, my friends. It is June. Oh boy, what's the date? June 22nd, 2019. And we are checking out the swarm of earthquakes that is certainly still going on off the coast of Oregon. Some scary ones, too, guys. These are very shallow quakes. Two 5.4s back to back. Either started this off or were some of the aftershocks of some of the other quakes. But we were talking, I believe, just the day before yesterday, how there has not been a 4.5 or higher quake in the west coast of the U.S. nor near Alaska in a significant period of time. Well, that's over with now because we have many quakes in Oregon going on today. And a lot of them are really starting to cause concern for people based on the depth. I want you to keep in mind every quake you're looking at right here is at 10 kilometers, which is about 6 miles in depth. And all right here on the Cascadia the subduction zone, particularly the northern part of it where the sediment gets a little thicker. In fact, I have a chart for you. Sorry, guys, we're doing the phone deal right now. That's why this is being such a pain. But we're going to check out a few different things here real quick. We got Chrome set up. There we go. So this part of the subduction zone here, you can see it says well-compact sediment. I guess that can somewhat absorb the shakings of a significant quake, I guess, if it were on land more. But anything out to sea in that area that we were just looking at is not something you want to see for the states of Washington, Oregon, or in any part of California. And in worst case scenario, that would include Mexico and then our friends in Hawaii. So again, not trying to get anyone worked up too much, but we got to talk about the facts. And the facts are that we are having a significant earthquake swarm right now off the coast of Oregon. And here we go. Here's the 5.4. At 8:52 a.m., very early, and I made an early Instagram post about the one in Kansas as well. They basically woke up to a cup of coffee of an earthquake today. 10:26, a 4.6, same time. 9:40, 4.7, and then another 5.0 at 8:43, and there's that second 5.4 at 9 a.m. So the time difference between the two 5.4s was about 8 minutes, and I don't believe anything was in between there. I could be wrong. So it actually looks like these two 5.4 quakes. Okay, I'm wrong. So this is continuing. We did have quakes after the 5.4s, but there you have it, guys. Now we've gone from 0 4.7s on the west coast to about almost 8. So that changed quickly. Now, what we got to wonder is where this pressure is going to transfer to. Is it going to go north towards Alaska, or are we going to start seeing more and more quakes down south around the Baja region and the west side of Mexico? Hint, hint, Guatemala, if you guys remember. I don't know how we wouldn't remember that. And just to touch base on that Kansas quake, 4.5 at 4:50 a.m. I was awake when that happened. I put the tweet out right away. And what the news is talking about, at least on this site, is the 1,000 quakes triggering a megaquake fears on express.co.uk. California earthquake swarmageddon. So that's what they're talking about right now. They did mention the Kansas quake. So I believe they will in turn update this site on what is exactly going on in Oregon. Chart out one more time.